What is the random.choice function? Why is it one of the widely used functions from random module?
Hello guys!
This is day 6 of me documenting my journey. Today, let us learn about choice function in the random module. Check out my previous short, reel video on random module to know more about random module and some of its basic functions. Now coming to the choice function. Choice function takes a non-empty sequence like a list of objects or things, a tuple, or even a string and randomly selects an object from them and returns it. For string, it randomly returns a character from the string. Now, let us implement it in the code. Let me create a file to implement it. First, let us import random module. As convention, let us leave some spaces. Now, let us implement a list of words. Now, let us randomly select a word from it using the choice function and print it. Here, we are getting the choice function from the random module and passing to it the list of words we have got so that it returns a random word from it and we store it in this variable named random word. Now let us print it. Let us write the print statement first. Using our terminal, let us run this file to print the random word we got. A random word from our list is printed. Now let us do that again. Again. Let us do that again. This function is very useful in cases where from a list of things we randomly want one, like while implementing some sort of game. So that's it for today, guys.
Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and see the Instagram handle of same name. Thank you for watching guys. Until tomorrow, bye bye.